Construction projects in Singapore using prefabricated modules are facing delays of up to 9 months. Around 11,000 residential units are affected. The technique is often touted to cut time and manpower, but contractors say it's made things worse for them during the pandemic. Clara Lee reports.
These modules are like Lego bricks, built elsewhere and put together on site, in a method called prefabricated, prefinished volumetric construction, or PPVC. Compared to traditional construction, PPVC can cut time by up to 55,000 days and manpower by almost 40%. But that was before the pandemic hit.
Singapore mainly get PPVC supplies from foreign countries, and Malaysia is the main supply country for Singapore PPVC units. And this unit supply has been disrupted recently due to the pandemic lockdown, which is the MCO in Malaysia.
With almost no modules coming in, it means PPVC projects are more severely hit. More than 1,500 built-to-order flats at this site are facing delays of up to 9 months. Even if suppliers bring in units, there's simply nowhere to put them.
For all the contractors are actually currently rushing in to bring in as many units as possible into Singapore before Malaysia's full lockdown. Then, of course, with the lack of holding facilities in Singapore, the lack of space, then it has caused a whole entire jam in the manufacturing line.
There are only a few specialized places that can handle PPVC units carefully. That's especially when they come prefurbished with tiles, window grills, and plumbing fixtures. Equipment in this facility can hoist up to 30 metric tons of weight. It is also one of the handful that can build PPVC modules.
Now this unit will eventually become an entire bathroom. A unit like this takes up to 10 days to complete, and the storage facility currently houses about 200 of such units, which means it's operating at 100% capacity.
But local facilities like this cannot ramp up production unless there is more space for the 8x4 meter structures. Demand for storage places means construction costs are up about 30%.
In the next 1 year, we'll be likely to see both 5 to 10% increase in prices that will be passed on to the consumers.
The Building and Construction Authority says it is assessing the need to enhance supply resilience and, if necessary, expand local production of PPVC units. Construction firms say a first step should be to reduce reliance on Malaysia as a supplier.